Hi, I'm doing an experiment called the fluoride egg. I'm trying to see how important it is to brush your teeth, but instead of teeth, I'm using an egg, because the shell of an egg is made of calcium, the same as your teeth. I'm going to leave this egg in fluoridated toothpaste for 5 days and then see what happens when I put in vinegar. Okay, so the first step is to clean the egg, which I've already done. And now I have to mark an X on one side of the egg, so I'll be able to tell which side will sit in the toothpaste. Okay, now there's an X on the egg. Okay, now I'm going to put the toothpaste in the jar. Oof, the whole thing. Okay, well. Okay. Now I have to put the egg in, mark side down, so that about half of the egg is covered by the toothpaste. Okay, the plastic wrap's on nice and tight, so now we just have to wait 5 days until the egg is ready. Okay, so now it's 5 days later, so now we have to take the egg out of the jar and wash the toothpaste off the egg and wash the toothpaste out of the jar. Okay, so now that they're clean, we can leave them overnight to dry. Now we put the dry egg into the clean glass and pour the vinegar, this is the vinegar, over the egg until it covers it. Okay, now we're just going to leave it for 10 to 12 hours. So here's the egg again 12 hours later, and you can see some changes, like the foam at the top of the glass, and the bubbles on the egg and sort of on the edges of the jar. So now I'm going to take the egg out and see if the toothpaste made one side of the egg stronger than the other. Just a second. Whoa. Okay, well, side is way softer than this side. So you can knock on this side and then this side bounces. Ew. Whoa! To conclude this experiment, the fluoride does protect the egg from the effects of vinegar, since the unprotected side of the egg was much softer than the side with the toothpaste. Oh, and the unprotected side popped because I accidentally pushed on it too hard.